In this video, you'll learn how to increase the maximum upload file size in Hostinger so you can upload larger files without running into frustrating errors. This is especially useful if you're working with big themes, plugins, backups, or media files and keep seeing messages that your file is too large. We'll walk through the settings you need to change in your Hostinger control panel, and I'll explain what each option actually does so you understand exactly what you're changing. First, log into your Hostinger account and go to your H panel. This is Hostinger's main control panel where you manage your websites, settings, and hosting features. Once you're in H panel, locate the website section. You should see a list of all the domains you have connected to your account. Find the website where you want to increase the upload limit and click the Manage button next to that domain. This will open the management area specifically for that site, and from here you'll have access to more detailed settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Look for the section labeled Advanced. Go ahead and click on that and then choose PHP configuration. This is where you can control various PHP settings that affect how your site handles things like uploads, memory, and performance. Once the PHP configuration page opens, look toward the top of the page and click on the PHP Options tab. There may be other tabs like PHP Info or extensions, but for our purposes, PHP Options is the one you need. This tab will show a long list of adjustable PHP directives. Scroll down through the options until you find a row called Upload Max File Size. This setting defines the maximum size allowed for a single uploaded file, such as when you upload a theme, plugin, or media file through your site's dashboard. Click on the current value and change it to the new limit you want. For example, you might set it to 512M for 512 megabytes or 1024M for 1 gigabyte. Just be sure the value you choose is reasonable for your hosting plan and the kinds of files you actually need to upload. Next, look for another row called Post Max Size. This setting controls the maximum size of the entire post request, which includes the file plus any additional data that's sent along with it. It's important that post max size is equal to or larger than upload max file size. If it's smaller, your uploads can still fail, even if upload max file size looks high enough. So if you set upload max file size to 512M, set post max size to at least 512M or a bit higher, like 600M or 1024M, to give yourself some extra room. After you've adjusted both values, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Save button. Click Save to apply your new PHP settings. The changes usually take effect within a short time, but in some cases you might want to clear your website cache or refresh your admin dashboard to make sure everything is updated. That's all you need to do. By updating upload max file size and post max size in your Hostinger H panel, you've raised your maximum upload limit and should now be able to handle larger files without hitting size restrictions.